LegalZoom Trademark Registration App. The pros, the cons. If you're looking to protect your brand, the LegalZoom Trademark Registration App might be exactly what you need. You won't believe how much simpler it makes the trademark process compared to navigating government forms on your own. The app walks you through every step, from checking if your desired trademark is available to filing your application with the United States Patent and Trademark Office. LegalZoom also offers guidance on trademark classes, helping you categorize your products or services correctly, which is crucial to avoid rejections or conflicts. One major advantage is accessibility. You can monitor the status of your trademark application, receive updates, and communicate with LegalZoom experts directly from the app. This eliminates the confusion that often comes with legal paperwork and gives you peace of mind that your application is moving forward. However, there are some cons. While LegalZoom simplifies the process, it does not replace personalized legal advice for complicated trademark disputes or international filings. Costs can also add up, especially if you require additional services like monitoring or legal consultations. Additionally, some users report that response times for complex questions may vary depending on workload. In conclusion, the LegalZoom Trademark Registration App is a powerful tool for entrepreneurs and small business owners looking to secure their brand without getting lost in legal jargon. It streamlines the filing process, provides expert guidance, and keeps you informed every step of the way. While it's not a substitute for complex legal counsel for most straightforward trademark registrations, it's a reliable and user-friendly solution.